Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the alarm clock white noise machine. Here's the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the clock. It has a 5.5 by 3.5 inch display. Right over here you have 2 outlets, 3 USB ports, power port. It uses a 3-prong power cord. And over here is the battery bay. So in case there is a loss of power, if it gets unplugged, this is the backup, and it takes 2 AAA batteries. Here are 4 rubber feet to help prevent skidding. Here's the power cord. It's a 3-prong, similar to what you see that power computers, printers, and other devices. And here's the manual. So let's take a look at the manual. Okay, so I'm going to plug the clock in. Okay, so the clock is plugged in. I'm going to show you how to use it. So to set the time, press and hold down the clock button for 2 seconds. Now you can select 24 hours or 12 hours. So I'm going to select 12 hours, so press the up or down button. Press clock to confirm. Now I'm going to set the time. So it's 12 o'clock p.m. Press the clock button to confirm. Now you can set the seconds. So let's set that. 12:10 p.m. Press the clock button to confirm. Now I'm going to set the alarm. Now you have 2 alarms. So let's start with alarm number 1. To set the alarm, press and hold down the alarm button for 2 seconds. Okay. Now you can set the alarm. Let's confirm. Press the alarm button. And now you can set the alarm sound. So you press the up button to select the sound of the alarm that you want. Press the alarm button to confirm. Now you can select the volume. Press the alarm button to confirm. Okay, now you can do the same with alarm number 2. Press and hold down the alarm button for 2 seconds. And you do the same as what you did with the first alarm. Okay. Okay, so this alarm clock is also a sound machine. So I'm going to show you how to listen to all the sounds and select the sound that you want. So press this button right here. So press up or down to select the sound that you want and to listen to the sounds. Okay, so those are the sounds, and to select, and then you can also select the volume that you want by using the up and down arrows. Goes to 16. Okay. Now for the white noise, you can set the playtime. So let's go back to the white noise. So you press this button right here to select the playtime. So this is 90 minutes. Press it again for 60 minutes. Press it again for 30 minutes. And to turn it off, press it again. Now you can also set the brightness by pressing the snooze dimmer button. So that's the least bright, that's off, least bright, brighter, brightest. So there you go. This was a review of the alarm clock white noise machine. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.